Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to fix Spotify played random songs, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to fix Spotify played random songs. In this video I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Spotify app from your mobile phone. Click on your library in the bottom. Now click on playlist option. Here you have to open any song. For example, I am going to open this one. After ending this song, I want to play randomly next song. For this you have to disable shuffle option in the left side. But without premium account this is not possible. When you have premium account then you will be able to disable shuffle option. Otherwise it is not possible. This is the easy and simple way to fix Spotify played random songs. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.